Hi, good day. Welcome here in the subject of Calculus 3. On this day, we will going to find the explicit formula in a given sequence, particular in the arithmetic sequence. So first of all, what is the formula of the arithmetic sequence? So the formula of our arithmetic sequence is to be shown in the screen. Then, what is the purpose of having explicit formula? So basically, an explicit formula helps you to calculate the nth term of the sequence explicitly or directly or by substituting the value for the n. Recall that n is just the term number that we want to find. It is the position of the term we want in the sequence. So if you want to find the third term in the sequence, so you just let n is equal to 3. Then use that explicit formula na imuhang kuha in the given sequence. To further know, let us have one problem. What is the explicit formula for the sequence 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, and 23? Check the first 3 terms in the sequence to justify that the explicit formula is correct, and then find the missing 7th term in a given sequence. So again, the given sequence represents an arithmetic sequence, and the given formula in the form of a sub n is equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. So in order for us to find the explicit formula of the given sequence, we have to look for the value of the a and our d. So our a, go back to our problem, our first term. The first term is 3. Then d, so we have to find the second and the first term. So 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. So that is, then substitute the value a and the value of d by the equation of the arithmetic sequence. So substitute the value of a, which is 3, plus copy n minus 1, the value of our d, which is 4, equals 3 plus, so we have to times the n to 4, which is 4n, the negative 1 times 4, which is negative 4, and then a sub n is equals to 4n minus 1. So therefore, that was our explicit formula. So let's go back to the problem. So we have to check the first 3 terms in the sequence to justify that explicit formula is correct. So by this explicit formula, a sub n is equals to 4n minus 1, we have to check if our first term in the given sequence, which is 3, 7, 11, is correct. So let n is equals to 1. Okay, first. Then n is equals to 2, then n is equals to 3. So we have to substitute the value lang. So 4, 1, which is the first term. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. So therefore, the first term is correct. Let's proceed to the second term. A sub n is equals to 4 minus 1. 4, substitute 2 minus 1. 4 times 2, 8. Minus 1, 7. So therefore, our second term is correct, 7. For the last term, which is 11, we have to substitute again the explicit formula. 4n minus 1, so 4, so 3 minus 1. 4 times 3, 12, minus 1. 12 minus 1 is 11. So therefore, our third term, which is 11 in the sequence, is correct. Okay. Then let us now proceed to the second nga gipang tanan sa question. Find the missing 7th term in a given sequence. So in our given sequence, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. So we have to find the 7th term. So how are we going to find the 7th term? By simply substitute or by using the explicit formula, which is the a sub n is equals to 4n minus 1. Again, we have to find the 7th term. So let n is equals to 7. So substitute na lang 4n, which is 7 minus 1. 4 times 7, 28 minus 1 is equals to 27. So let's check if tugma ba. 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 23, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 27. Again, in arithmetic sequence, if parehas gani ang difference, then arithmetic sequence na siya. If not, that is considered as geometric sequence. So let's check our difference. 27 minus 3, 4, 19, 23 minus 19, 4, 19 minus 15, 4, 15 minus 11, 4, 7 minus 11 minus 7, 4, 7 minus 3 is equal. Therefore, constant man ang iyahang difference. So this sequence is considered as arithmetic sequence. So that is. Thank you for listening.